Have you ever walked into your garage and thought, this could be so much more than just a place for tools and boxes? Imagine stepping into a garage that feels like your own personal haven. Whether it's a sports sanctuary, vintage retreat, or tech-driven entertainment zone, what if your garage became the most admired space in your house? If you've ever wondered how to turn your dusty garage into a jaw-dropping man cave, stay with me. Today, we're diving into garage cave decor ideas that will elevate your space from cluttered to iconic.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What is a garage cave and why is it gaining popularity? A garage cave, also known as a man cave in the garage, is a personalized retreat space often designed for relaxation, hobbies, or entertainment. It's gaining popularity because it turns underutilized square footage into a vibrant, purposeful area. First, it's customizable. Whether you're into sports, gaming, cars, or music, the garage cave can be designed around your passion, making it a deeply personal space. Second, it provides privacy. Unlike living rooms or shared spaces, a garage cave is yours alone. A space where you can disconnect and decompress without interruptions. Lastly, it boosts your home value. A well-decorated garage cave is not only functional but attractive to future buyers, offering that wow factor edge in real estate listings. CTA, if you love this kind of transformation, don't forget to like and share this video with someone dreaming of their own garage upgrade. How do you pick a theme for your garage cave? Choosing a theme gives your garage cave coherence and character, helping guide your decor and furniture choices. First, think about your interests. Are you a die-hard sports fan? A movie buff? A vintage car lover? Your passions should lead the direction of the theme. Second, consider your space. A small garage might be best suited for a cozy reading den, while a double garage can handle larger setups like pool tables or bars. Third, choose a consistent color palette and decor elements that align with your theme. From wall art to lighting to flooring, it all ties together when there's a central idea. CTA, drop a comment below telling us what theme you'd go for in your own garage cave. We might feature it in our next video. What are must-have furniture? Pieces for a garage cave? Furniture transforms the garage cave from a bare-bones space into a comfort zone where you actually want to spend time. Start with seating. Leather recliners, gaming chairs, or even a vintage couch make a world of difference in comfort. Then, add utility. A mini fridge, bar cart, or workbench can bring functionality depending on your cave's purpose. Lastly, don't overlook storage. Floating shelves, pegboards, or even custom cabinets will keep clutter in check without ruining the aesthetic. CTA. Check out the playlist in the description for more decor tips and functional furniture hacks. What kind of lighting works best in a garage cave? Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood. You can't enjoy a sleek cave in harsh, clinical garage lights. First, install ambient lighting such as LED strip lights around ceiling edges or behind your TV setup to create a cozy vibe. Next, task lighting is crucial if your cave includes activities like woodworking or gaming. Desk lamps, pendant lights, or under cabinet lighting can be both functional and stylish. Finally, decorative lighting. Think neon signs, themed lamps, or color-changing bulbs adds flair and reinforces your cave's personality. CTA. Subscribe for more space transformation videos just like this one. You won't want to miss what's coming next. How do you manage insulation and climate control in your garage cave? Garages often lack proper insulation, which can make your cave freezing in winter or sweltering in summer. First, insulate the walls and ceiling, using foam panels or insulation rolls. This step also improves soundproofing for those late-night movie sessions. Second, invest in portable heating and cooling units. A compact heater or mini-split AC can maintain comfort year-round. Third, seal doors and windows to prevent drafts and keep the space energy efficient. Weather stripping and door sweeps can make a big difference on a small budget. CTA, check. The DES. What are budget-friendly ways to upgrade your garage cave? Transforming your garage doesn't need to empty your wallet. Start with paint. It's one of the cheapest ways to drastically improve your space. A bold accent wall, or even a checkerboard. Garage floor paint can add character instantly. Then, upcycle. Furniture. That old bookshelf or unused coffee table can get a new life in your man cave with a coat of paint or simple modifications. Lastly, go DIY on the decor. From homemade wall art to repurposed lighting fixtures, creativity can save you tons while adding unique charm. CTA, want to see more budget-friendly decor hacks? Check the description for similar videos you'll love. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to turning a bland, forgotten garage into a space that's all yours. Whether it's for gaming, relaxing, watching the big game, or showcasing your collections, a garage cave is the modern man's answer to me time. And now, you know how to make it happen. So which idea are you starting with?